Hey, I'm in North Las Vegas today. Got a 4-bedroom, single story behind me. Coming in under 500,000, was it 489, 751. 2 ensuite bedrooms. Let's flip the camera on and take a look. We'll just pan to the left here. So we're in Sedona Ranch. It's a small master planned community with both gated and ungated single-story and 2-story homes. It seems to all range between about 1,800 and about 3,000 square feet in this area. So what we're walking into today, we got a two-car garage, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. List price $489,751. Built in 2020. 2,032 square feet on the house, with a lot size pretty nice at the 6,534. So clocking in under 250 at 241 a square foot. As we come into the left, you have 2 bedrooms and the open bathroom. Step into the right is where you have your laundry, an ensuite bedroom, garage door, and then into the main living area. This opens right up. You get the vaulted ceilings, modern stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. You know, I like to go to the kitchen first, so let's check it out. That speckled quartzite countertop, supersized island. They have some 3 larger chairs here in the breakfast bar. You got that deep sink, and it just centers on into the living room. So all that same open space here with the eating kitchen off to the side. Now you can wrap it around, and they have the 3. You could throw a 4th chair on the end here too. For the fridge, you got a top, bottom bin, and then a side. They live here. I'm not going to open up the fridge though. A lot of the videos I do are vacant. There's backsplash. Nice change in tone here. You have like a blue, light blue, turquoise, gray, and dark gray, kind of all complementing. The walls are like a gray, blue tone gray, really light on the gray. You have these dark wooden cabinets. They're the thinner kind, and no dovetail. You got the staples and not a soft close on these. Lots of storage. And this is your pantry. People live here. We don't need to go up in their pantry, you know what I mean? Tile flooring. That's an upgrade. The wood kind of like striated on the tile. I don't think I checked here. We are vented out. You know I love a good vent on the microwave. Keep those filters clean. So that's your kitchen. So the house was built 6 years ago. Things that people forget that you put into a house that is new are like these pendant lights. You'll just get 3 stubs up top. Oftentimes the lights by the kitchen aren't included. The main fan light often is, but that's it. Maybe a primary bedroom, but then to have those fixtures in the other bedrooms are not. So those are all improvements that a homeowner has to do on their own. So off the kitchen, you have the eat-in kitchen dining area. As you can see here, this table is at its min size, 2, 4, 6 comfortably. Extended out, larger than that. Good space, comes right off of the kitchen, and starting here on over, you even can see the TV as you're sitting at that space. Just do a pan of the whole room. So the homeowner did pay off their solar. So you have paid off solar, just a basic connection fee, and that is all they're paying on their power bills. You can shoot me a text or give me a call And I can give you more details on the solar. And then another really cool feature is this enclosed patio where you have it covered. We're facing south, so you're going to get some sun back here. So you see they have the curtains to kind of keep it shaded. And you have this whole extra TV space. Now you can close off the door, have 2 separate programs going, kind of like a basement or a loft, or you can open up those 2 oversized doors and just have an indoor-outdoor space, great for entertaining. And then speaking of entertaining, we've got a pool-sized backyard. They opted not for a pool, but instead a set-down kind of like grill pit, fire pit area, tons of seating. Like I said, you see that drain there. I'm assuming it drains off that wall. And then you have the turf on either side, drip irrigation all throughout the outsides. Well, for a town that seems to be shrinking the backyards, you get a decent sized yard here, and you can tell not every house has that. This house set deeper, and then 2 over, same thing, set a lot deeper. I'm a big fan of putting a house far up as you can and enjoy that backyard space. Again, it's only 5 or 6 years, so these trees will grow up, get a little bit more privacy. This is your gate here. HOA is $49 a month for this HOA. Don't know if I mentioned that. Let's hop back in. So let's check out the primary. Nice feature here on the primary, it's set toward the back and everything else is up front away. So in the primary, got that long rectangle shape with a fun barn door entrance into the bathroom. It's one of those things here in the Southwest is there are no doors into the bathroom, so this is a definite add-on with the stressed wood. Kind of can close that off if one person gets up earlier than the other. And you got your standard shower, double sink, good amount of space in here. And you got just a standard linen closet in here, and then larger closet here. That's your tech hub. Toilets in there. So coming out of the primary good size, I want to mention, it does have a pitched ceiling, so though it may start at 8 or 9 feet on the side, probably peaks at about 10 in the middle, just giving it a little bit bigger of a feel. And primary is clocked in at 13 by 16. Here's the living room. I like that they've opened this so the closed is in the back, and as you walk in the house, you walk into this open space. And then same thing here. So this is your living room, and then a little sitting area right off the side. You may be able to put some light up here and put a dining room here if you wanted. Though I don't know if you need the redundancy of a dining area there and then a dining room area here. So I like the sitting area. Let's check out the bedrooms. We'll start with the second ensuite. So bedroom number 2. You can see here, you get the modern light fan. This closet all here. Then your open linen closet here. And just a standard shower with the typical one piece there. You get the granite on the countertops. So it's always nice when you have a guest to give them a guest room with a bathroom attached. It's one of those wish lists I get from most of my buyers. Things they either want or need, and then obviously as the search continues, things pivot. So here in the laundry room, no cabinets. You do have a storage space over top. Now we're going to skip the garage. They've moved everything into the garage to make it look nice in here. So the garage has some knickknacks in it. So we'll just leave that. There's no water softener in there. It is plumbed for a water softener and filter in the garage. And I don't see an EV charge. It's the other most common request is what's in the garage. But I'll tell you, give me a call, schedule a private showing, and we can jam in there together if it's that important. All right, bedroom number 3. And you'll see these bedrooms have that vent over top that allows air pressure to stay the same without having to put an air return in this room in itself. Upgraded light fixture. Standard closet. And then up here. So where are we at North Vegas? We're about 20 minutes from the Strip. And this is the bathroom for both these 2 bedrooms, and also would be like your guest bathroom for people out in the living room and kitchen area. Probably close to 30 minutes to get to the main airport, though there is a smaller airport here in North Las Vegas as well. The amount of growth up here is tremendous. 15 minutes north of here, you're going to get the Aliante area with Aliante Casino and golf courses and just tons of building, retail, commercial, all sorts of stuff. North Las Vegas is one of the fastest growing cities in the country. They've got quite a plan. Same thing, you see the vent there. Growth plan, bringing in the commercial to support all the residents. And that's bedroom number 4. So there you have it, my friends. Let's recap. So we got a list price $489,751, coming in at $241 a square foot. It's over 2,032 square feet. You got straight in there. You have 4 bedrooms, primaries in the back, 3 up front, a second bedroom that's en suite. Paid off solar. I'll say it again, paid off solar. HOA is $49 a month. And I believe that is all I have to share. All right, guys, pleasure having you. I will see you on the next.